Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily duplicate objects in Adobe Illustrator. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Illustrator. So this is the object and I want to copy. So the first step you simply need to hold Alt plus Shift and drag this box. And here you can see that how easily I duplicate. And the other method is you simply need to select that box, click on Ctrl C and click on Ctrl V. So this is the second method, and the other method is, let's suppose I copy this by holding Shift and Alt. Okay, and then you simply need to click on Control D to create a copy. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can easily duplicate objects in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.